Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Amidst the clamour at the Millennium Cricket League, the Giants took on the Rebels in a saga that promised sparks. The Giants, armed with willow and leather, sought to stamp their authority with giant strides over Rebels' rampart.
A sun-drenched afternoon set the stage for a classic duel. As the Jersey Giants faced Rebels Cricket Club, each team bore the ambition to engrave their mark in this chapter of the F40 Premier Division clash.
Credits to our event advertisers, signposts of support, guiding us through this theatrical display of cricket. The stage was set, the actors ready, and what followed was a script of unexpected twists and cricketing prowess.
Cheers to DifGen Pharmaceuticals, delivering boundary-breaking generics like a Master Blaster 6. A day that bore witness to cricket echoed with the melody of bat meeting ball, as strategies unfolded and heroes emerged.
It was a tale of resilience as the Giants, batting first, erected a fortress scoring 282. Led by a Centurions masterclass and a monumental partnership, they set the stage. The Rebels, despite their gallant pursuit, were kept at bay, culminating in a nail-biting crescendo.
Every cricket tale needs its climactic moments, the Giants' imposing total, a century worth its weight in gold, and the Rebels' valiant chase. Yet, it was the Giants' tactical nous and indomitable spirit that ultimately steered the course of this captivating narrative.
Hiram Shallow stood tall among giants, his sword yielding 134 runs, while Bagchi supported gallantly. Together, they wove a partnership of 217, the cornerstone of the Giants' innings.
The Rebels' bowlers toiled, striving for breakthroughs. Yet it was Mohammad Sohail whose 6 wickets caused tremors through the Giants' ranks, shaping the first act's landscape.
In the second act, the Rebels' chase was a blend of fury and finesse, epitomized by Jagannath's 55. Yet, the Giants' bowlers, led by Rashid, held their nerve at crucial junctures.
As shadows lengthened, Abdul Rashid's lethal spell of 3 for 44 anchored the Giants' defense. The Rebels fought, but the Giants' strategy was a fortress, impregnable and stoic to the last.
Shallow's scintillating 134 was the beacon for the Giants, while Rashid's incisive bowling was the nail in the coffin. Sohail's 6-wicket haul for the Rebels was a flicker of defiance.
These gladiators, Shallow and Rashid, shaped destiny with their performances. Sohail, too, etched his name, albeit in a valiant defeat, his heroics a testament to the game's unforgiving nature.
The Giants triumphed by 29 runs, their innings an allegory of determination. The Rebels, despite a spirited chase, were undone by the Giants' strategic acumen and a fortress built on runs.
The Giants' celebration resounded as they clinched victory. For the Rebels, a tale of what might have been. The Giants' strategy and execution, a lesson engraved in the annals of the F40 League. As the dust settles, this chapter will be remembered for its high-octane narrative. The Giants' strides became a crescendo that overpowered the Rebels' ramparts, a battle that will echo through the league's corridors.
The echoes of Shallow's century will linger long after today's battle, a beacon for upcoming clashes. The Giants walk away with not just a win, but a measure of their mettle in the face of adversity.